Can you imagine looking like this, feeling like this, and being like this, but keep getting bounced back to this? Yep, this is called the yo-yo diet roller coaster insanity and puts your health at risk. Research shows that nearly 80% of all dieters regain their lost weight plus more within a year. I support this weight loss transformation. Check out the video. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be healthy. Don't know where to start on your wellness journey? I know the struggle is real and I can relate as I too had to face my own wellness challenge. This was my reality. Shattered dreams, but also the start of my wellness journey. I got to do my victory dance. That's in a whole other video. Research shows that 90% of adults do not get enough of what their body needs, much less to restore wellness. The number one complaint is that we're tired all the time and not getting enough sleep. Sound familiar? Do you have a performance mindset? Striving for excellence, good health and well-being, being mindful and intentional about what you do, putting only high-octane fuel in your high-performance car? It's the same principle with your body. I believe in keeping your body strong, vibrant, and healthy. If you put cheap, low-performance, bargain value food and food products into your body, you will gain unwanted weight and be on a path to disease. Do not trade wellness for convenience. This body, your body, is an amazing high-performance creation, God's creation, complex biochemistry in motion, for which Mother Nature is the blueprint for your well-being. How do you expect your body to perform when it's all clogged up with all the cheats and indulgences, processed foods, stress, poor habits, and to add insult, chemical synthetics? I'm the Vitality Guru, and I help busy professionals and parents take back their health through personalized coaching and practical strategies. This is not about quick fixes, it's about creating lasting change with a proven system built on Mother Nature's blueprint for wellness and my signature 16 healthy habits for sustainable weight loss, well-being, and vitality. I'll show you how to fuel your body with the right tools and the performance mind for success. Are you ready to transform? Start with my free vitality assessment and consultation, linked below, or scan the QR code. Join my personalized coaching program and design your blueprint for vitality and weight loss success. I supported this weight loss transformation. Check out the video. Got him off his high blood pressure meds and stopped his sleep apnea. Something his doctor said would never happen. This is his wellness journey. How will you start your wellness journey? I can support yours and so much more. Learn my secrets, your blueprint. This is my starting point for adults. Take the free assessment and see how your routine stacks up. See the link in the description below.
And if you need something a little more in depth, there's coaching for that too.
Who's with me? How would you start your wellness journey? Comment wellness and we can start on your journey. Let's get started on your wellness journey and transform you. As you look to start new beginnings, join my Vitality Challenge Jumpstart community and get 30 days of free community sharing, answers to questions, vitality and wellness tips from the Vitality Guru and like-minded individuals. See the link in the description below. Are you ready? Let's get started on your wellness journey and transform you. Grow with us.